So the last time you saw me, well, if you've been following me for a long time, you know I got the Camaro. The Camaro's at home, sitting there, not really touched. But your boy stayed with the Chevy gang. So I want to announce to you guys, this right here is the heavy to modified Cuh. This is the Cuh, a 2020 Z71 Trail Boss. I love this thing, and you guys know I love cars. I love anything with a motor in it. So today, before I came to the gym, the reason why I'm actually here late is because I got something from AFE. I got an intake, something a little light. I had to do something. I couldn't keep it stocked. But right now we're waiting for Jordy, because Jordy just got a brand new Jeep. He got an intake and he got exhaust put on right now, so he should be pulling up, probably screaming with that 4-cylinder or whatever it is. What are Jeeps? 4 cylinders? 6 cylinders?
Yeah, I think so.
Something like that, right?
Something like that, yeah.
It's small. It's a Santa V8. I'll tell you that much. But whatever. Today we're going to be training with Jordy. It's a leg day. It's one of the hardest days. Jordy's known for leg days, and it's gonna be interesting. So we're bringing along right now. Let's wait for Jordy to pull up so we give him his time to shine with his new Jeep, and then it's time to bleed. Imagine that showing up late. Pulls up in a new Jeep. I left it here again.
It's not mine.
Damn right, you don't know nothing about first form, baby. What happened? Well, let me hear it. Hold on, let me hear it. Yeah, now you can hear it. It doesn't sound like a Tesla anymore. Sounds cute. Oh, V8.
My bad. I have the gas.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, I didn't buy this for gas. I bought this to get ass. Or carry my big ass around. I don't know which one was gonna be.
I've been carrying your big ass.
Carry my big ass.
That's it, man.
Oh wait, no, this is it. This is my pump.
Your first time? Yeah, couch in the back.
the very first time, like a bird.
I don't know what leg that you're trying to do.
Hey,
First, second, or third.
the lady you trying to touch today. Ooh, oh wait, I have a. Let me finish. That's it. One bottle down. It's gone. What flavor was that? That one was good. What? God was first. Alright, so we're moving on to strawberry pineapple. But this is not right now, I'm gonna use it next time. Project 1 for my pre-workout. I don't know why I grabbed the Megawatt. Megawatt is for a non-intense workout. Then I got my Alpha Surge. That's gonna be my pump right there. Right there, boom, bada bang, bada bang. If you ever have any questions about supplements, don't just buy stuff because you see me taking it. All supplements are gonna be different for everyone. Obviously, greens and reds is for everyone. Pre-workout, depending on how much caffeine you're used to, or if you want a high intense pre-workout, or if you want something that's cool and similar and not gonna have you all jittery and crazy feeling, then that's gonna be the Megawatt. But like I said, book a Zoom call with me. I said it last time, I'm gonna always say it. Book a Zoom call with me. You have questions about weight loss, questions about fitness, questions about nutrition. Anything, the Zoom calls are free. If you want the answers, all you gotta do is book a Zoom call with me. I do them every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I have like 6 to 8 spots open every single week. They do get filled up fast.
So I'm gonna run you guys through a workout right now. We're gonna do a little bit of legs, a little bit of core, a little bit of conditioning. So I kind of all tied it down together.
They know that every day when I'm breathing, it's for us to go farther. I'm not saying I'm going to rule the world or I'm going to change the world, but I guarantee that I will spark the brain that will change the world. And that's our job. It's to spark somebody else watching us. He told the guy, he said, when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. I don't know how many of y'all got asthma in here today, but if you ever had an asthma attack before, you short of breath, SOB, shortness of breath, you wheezing. The only thing you trying to do is get some air.
How much you down, Teddy?
80 pounds
80 pounds.
and a half.
Oh, hey, everyone, that half one really counts.
Half to 3/4.
He's been putting work since since West Coast we've been to. They've seen you. Putting in work, down 80 pounds, now putting on muscle. Don't look at ladies, don't look at his eyes too long, you might fall in love. I almost lost my girlfriend to him last weekend. Came out looking fly with a jacket and shoes on and everything. Nah, I'll tell you my boy, we got our watches linked up, constantly putting in work. He's constantly burning more calories than me. Like, I probably beat him like once a week.
Come on.
Don't rush me, I'm talking to the camera. I'm an influencer.
Influence later.
I need help. I'm gonna stay right here and help him. Right? This is Alonzo. He's the owner of the gym.
AVL baby all day.
How is it? Let him know.
Huh? Private gym setting, great environment. We fucking leave egos at the door and we just fucking go to work. Pure intensity, as you can see. Jordy putting my man through a fucking great workout. It's intense all day, all night, fucking every day, 24/7, baby. Come to Avilution, City of Norwalk, right off the 5, Carmenita, right behind Lowe's. It's on, baby.
This guy was fucking selling a car right now. I think like he used to be on the camera. I'm actually next week we're gonna be filming.
Oh yeah, Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday. We're gonna be filming a leg day with Boss Man right there. I'm out of breath, but I'll try to stay out here help him set up the new equipment coming in. I didn't get a break in. One thing he said I want to reiterate on is that leaving the egos at the door. When you guys sit here, you guys will watch my YouTube videos, you guys will watch me work out, you watch me have a good time with my friends, right? We're all on different paths, but we all have the same goal: to get healthy, to be fit, to look good, to feel good, right? And to last longer, right? It depends on what you're trying to last longer with. We're used to our life, you know, by getting our stuff together, you know. If you guys don't know, about me, if you're new to the channel, it's your first time on it, welcome. Started over 600 pounds. My goal was set to be at 210. That number has changed because of the muscle mass I'm enjoying putting on. Right now, we're not going off of numbers. We're going off of how I feel. We're going off my inches. We're going off how big my arms are, my chest. I'm trying to show abs, trying to show legs. All that has been done with no ego, right? I walked in the gym at over 600 pounds and felt like everyone was judging me, making fun of me. People were making fun of me. It sucks. So anywhere I go to, anywhere you see me train, anywhere that you want to come and train with me or meet me or set a session up for a day, there's never going to be egos. No one in this gym, from trainers to owner to people who come work to clients, are ever going to come in with that mentality of ego lifting or judging you for a certain way you look, judging for the certain way you are, because, you know, I walked in at over 600 pounds and got the work done. People said I couldn't do it, and now we're here today sitting at 259 and put on muscle. You know, there's never a need for an ego when you walk into a gym, because no matter if you're 100 pounds or you're 600 pounds, you're all in the gym for the same reason, because you have something you want to change about yourself. We all have the same goals, but it's gonna take different roads to get there. So remember that. If you're starting to go to the gym, or if you're already in the gym and might be that person has an ego, give her the ego and help that person out that you see. If you see someone you want to make fun of, take a picture and send it to someone, instead of taking that picture, be a bigger person and go help that person. That's gonna last with them forever, and that might motivate them to keep going with their weight loss journey. Everyone wants to be strong, no one wants to do the work. Stop when it burns. Don't stop when it burns. That's how you know you're doing the right work. I want to hear this. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna show you something. When I started my weight loss journey, I always had a goal to do pull-ups. I always wanted to. I talked about it. People are like, I weigh 150 pounds. I can't do a pull-up. I weigh 200 pounds. I can't do a pull-up. You can't do a pull-up. You're not gonna be able to do a pull-up. Setting your standards too high. I worked my ass off for what? Almost 4 months. 4 months. I started off, couldn't even hold myself. Now I'm 259 right now. 259.9, that's not a lie, you know, or 259.9. But you know, when those people told me I can't do pull-ups, there's two things you could do, right? There's two things you can do when someone tells you that you can't do something. You can listen to them and let their negative thoughts portray onto you that you can't do it, and you don't try. Never try. Or you can take those negative thoughts, those people that say you can't do, those people that don't want to see you win. You take those negative comments, you take those negative conversations, and you turn them into motivation. And that's what I did. I turned them into motivation. I came to him one day, I was super bummed. I saw all these comments that, oh, I'm 150, I can't do it. I'm 200, I can't even do it. I've been working out for 2 years, I can't even do a pull-up. And I turned it into motivation. But now, it's not a day goes by that I don't need to do this right here. That's it. Never let anyone tell you what you can or cannot do. You go out there, you work your fucking ass off, and you're gonna be able to achieve whatever it is that you want to do, and that's a promise.
That way up. Good. Come on. That was halfway. Cheat on your girlfriend, not on your set. Go.
I don't condone cheating.
Here we go. But if you must, on yourself. Here we go. That's one.
Oh, that's two more.
This hip crease has to pass
That's literally
the knee.
2 more.
This hip crease has to pass this knee. Your hip
You
is
just
right
subtracted
here.
2.
Your hip is right here. Here we go. 3, 1, 2. Good. One more. 3. Good. We've done 3 reps ago. Let's go.
Yeah, but you don't know how to count. What happens when you go to Sunny Hills?
For me, basically, is we have an hour, okay? Whatever else, I don't know how long, you know, how you've been eating, how you've been working, how you've been moving, how's that? If you're gonna give me 30 minutes,
see me every day.
I'm gonna have those 30 minutes, and I'm gonna bring those 30 minutes with an intensity that your body can tolerate, adapt, achieve, and then that's where you perform the best to your ability, depending on how your day went. I see and I feed off your energy and how it is, and if you can do a little bit more, we're gonna do as much as you can, as much as you let me in the session.
I didn't let you do none of this shit. Like, boy, why am I still doing this?
I don't condone this.
I don't condone none of this.
Here we go.
Boy, I saw somewhere on YouTube that says good to take 3 to 4 minute breaks.
That's great.
in between sets. That's what I heard. I'm no doctor. I'm no doctor. But whatever's on YouTube is real.
Facts.
Facts. Google said. They're all facts. Fact checkers are facts. Well, that's 100 pounds.
Exactly what that is.
All right. How's this trying to train? Huh? This is the first time. This is the first time Denzel's seen this workout. Or Jordy trained me. Last time I was Big John.
That's a no.
Dude, but that's Alex. It's my youngest client. I call him Alex the G, because he calls everyone G, so you'll be able to see how I train other people. He'll tell you a little bit about his training with me. He's also my most pain in the butt client. He's the youngest client. Gives me the hardest time, but he's a good kid. I just know me and Jordy both know that he just needs a little bit of guidance, but he's been putting in the work. He's lost over 20 pounds. He just won a weight loss thing for his work, won $500, so that motivated him a little bit. It's the hardest time to stay motivated around the holidays. He's surrounded by food and family, but he's doing it. He's crushing. How's Alex, 22? 22, 20G. That's 20G right there. That's Alex 20G. I'm beat right now. Yeah, you know, it's like hopefully, you know, that, you know, every day I'm not gonna, every single vlog, every single day I'm gonna be motivated, be able to be motivational speak, but hopefully my actions are speaking motivation when the days that I'm not feeling motivated. That's very true. I haven't been motivated for like 2-3 months, but the days you're motivated and you give 100%, those are free days. Remember that. Those are free. Those are the days you want to do it. The days that you don't want to do something and you still continue to do it, that's the days that build character. Give me 6G, 8G. My man knows how to act. My man, I say he's the most pain in the butt client I have. All of a sudden, this guy, he got nothing to say but hard work right now. That's crazy. I think I need you here every day. This here 5 days a week. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. 3, 4, 5 up. I didn't even have to tell you to restart your other sets. If you walk in at 600 plus pounds, you're not gonna be able to do the same thing as someone walking as 150 pounds. Maybe not the same workout, but there's always a modified version of it. So, you know, we help people from all ages to all sizes because I've been there. So one thing about me is, you guys know, I know how it is to start off at over 600 pounds and lose weight. And Jordy, like 90, I think it's like 100, maybe 105 pounds in high school. Get from 105 to be like 165 right now of pure muscle. You know, so we kind of get best of the train of both worlds. He's been me. I've actually known Jordy since, I want to say elementary school, from the same apartment. So, you know, we get to help stuff. And when we have clients that are out of my league of training, then they go over to Jordy and Jordy will show me and guide me to start showing me every stuff like that. Because you got to remember, training people is new. I never want to hurt anyone, but I know that I can help people. And so we kind of go back and forth. So it's really cool. If you ever want to come train with me, you live in the Orange County, LA, IE area. We're right here off the 5 in Carmenita. All my links are always in the description. Set up a free Zoom call, my Texty number. Set up a workout with everything, all the supplements I'm taking, everything is always gonna be in the description. I'm gonna talk about it every single time. I'm gonna do everything I should have did with my car YouTube channel and with my fitness and weight loss channel. Cool thing about watching Alex grow, not only mentally but physically, is that when he first came into Rebuild, where that's where we were training in 3 months ago, he was hitting that inhaler like it was candy. Like he came in, he hit that thing before every set, he was like, and now I barely even see his inhaler to where sometimes where he's really pushing himself, he pulls it out and I forget that he has asthma. So it's cool to see him, to watch his growth from coming in, hitting that inhaler every 5 seconds and now hitting it every other workout or every 5 workouts. And when he comes in, he gives 100%. You know, I want to say that about Alex. You know, he does give me a hard time, he does complain, but he gives me 100%. And that's what I love the most about him. That's why I continue to train him, because he does want to change. Like I said, he needs a little bit of guidance, but he comes like today. I don't know who this Alex is. Let me tell you right now. The camera's on. This guy, Jordy. Who is this dude? He hasn't said a joke. He hasn't complained. He's nothing. Him down over 20 pounds. barely using his inhaler. All that is because he decided to stay consistent. He decided to put in the work, and now his physical appearance is changing, and his mental is changing.
4, finish strong. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is that 100? 100. Tired. I wasn't even tired. That first 50 was like, oh, I got this. No stopping. You hit me out of nowhere. This is showing you right now. There's no such thing as having no time. I just burned 284 calories, total 368 calories in 33 minutes. I got that in 33 minutes before I train my next client. You see me work out once, train a client, work out again, now train another client. You know, there's no such thing as time. Everyone's busy. In your opinion, you're the busiest person in the world. In my opinion, I'm the busiest person in the world. Everyone in here, you ask them, they're the busiest people in the world. But you don't find the time to get to the gym. You make the time in your life to get to the gym because you make time for what you really care about. You make time for what you really want. I'm making the time because I really want to succeed. And that's it. The vlog's done. I'm gonna train Sandra for her next time. Great client. Been training with me for about a month now. She's down about 8 pounds. In total, I think she's down like 28 pounds. You know, I hope these videos make you laugh. I hope these videos are informative. I hope you learn something. I hope you get motivated. And thank you for keep coming back. Don't forget to subscribe. All the information you're gonna need to contact me. All the supplements I'm taking is always in the description down below. What you wanted to see next. Comment what kind of workouts you want to see me do. Comment any questions you have. Comment whatever it is. The more comments, the more engagement, the more motivated the whole Heavy Modified team is to posting content for you guys. Because what this isn't for you guys. Because whether I post these videos or not, I'm going to continue my weight loss journey. I'm going to continue training these people that want to change their life. And I want to continue helping people. But this content is documenting how hard it is to lose weight. So if you're not 600 pounds, if you're not 500 pounds, you're not 400 pounds, you're not 300 pounds, you're only 50 pounds away from your goal, don't get to where I was. This is your sign right now to stop making all the bad habits with nutrition and start fixing yourself today. I'm tired, I'm done.